Justine, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very quick little tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, how I fill these babies in. Takes about a minute, super simple, and this was requested by my dear friend Allie Russell. Allie, this one's for you. All of the products that I use are extremely affordable drugstore products. So I have my brow pencil, which is from, oh, I cut myself at the gym today. This is from Essence, which was at Shoppers Drug Mart if you're in Canada. I think it was like $4 or something. And I also have a very well-worn e.l.f. eyebrow gel. And that is about it. So let's get started. Just scooch in a little bit closer. Yeah, so these are my naked brows right now. I like the shape of them, but I do like to go for a bit of a bolder, darker brow just to frame my face, especially with the bangs, because the bangs are quite a bold look. We need brows to match that. So if you can see here, the sharpening job was a little bit horrendous. I don't know really what happens when I sharpen things. They usually just break and become some strange blunt edge, but let's see what we can do with this. Get a little up close and personal. So what I do is I very lightly, and oh, this is also kind of a it's not as soft as some other pencils, so I like to have them a bit harder and less smudgy, I suppose, especially for brows. So yeah, the transfer rate of this pencil is not as smudgy or, you know, soft as some others, perhaps like a kohl liner or something like that. So first, I pretty much make an outline of my brow. So I start with the top of my brow and just basically trace the shape. Going down into the tail and is it focused? And underneath. Just creating the shape and size that I want. I do a little bit of gentle strokes nearer to the end of my brow as well, just filling them in slightly. And I don't have very long brow tails, so I do extend them a little bit over the end here. So now that I have the general shape in place, I come in with a very small angled brush and I just blend it out. And the last step, just coming in with the e.l.f. here. This is, as I mentioned before, a very well-worn little kit here. I think, yeah, this is also like $4. Just take a bit of the gel part and define the tail even more. Time for a montage of these bad boys. eyebrows you have, all the better to question you with. Okay, and that is about it. A very, very, very easy brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box down below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!